This old guy DIY video has to do with modifying my carryall to be the best ever. So while I was working on this thing yesterday, I thought I'll be carrying buckets in here, and how am I going to keep the buckets from flipping over? So I asked myself, how about paracord and old garden hose? So what I ended up doing is coming up with this. You can see because of the garden hose, it has a structure, so this thing flips up so it's easy to take buckets out, or you can also drop them in from the top. And in my case, the carryall is 48 inches wide. I have those 2x4s on the bottom, so I have about 45 inches to work with. And what I found, if I come up 14 inches from the bottom, I put one in the corner. I came over 14 inches. That's my hole for the first one. Then I went down and over about half an inch, and that put my loop for the second one. And the way this thing is with that 34-inch piece of garden hose, it's sized properly, so you can also put these cat litter buckets in there. For the last few years, I've been carrying my fuel and chain oil for the chainsaw in this yellow bucket. That way when I'm in the woods, I don't lose it, and it seems to work out pretty well. My technique was to take a 34-inch piece of old leftover garden hose. You can see that's paracord. In the back where the paracord goes through the box, I just tied a big knot in the end of the paracord and I put a washer on there, and then I'll feed this through the hole that I drilled in the box 14 inches from the bottom. When pulling the rope through the hole I drilled in the box, I just take a fine piece of wire like this, flip it on there, and grab with the pliers on the inside and give it a quick yank like you're pulling a kid's tooth, and it comes right through. But I just grabbed a drill bit that was a little bit bigger than the paracord, and I had the end just cut off clean. I did not have it melted because that melted piece would not go through the hole in the 3/4 inch plywood. In the middle, I just came and tied a knot. So effectively, each of the bucket holders is independent at that point. If I hadn't put a knot in the middle, if you only had one bucket in there and you grabbed real hard and yanked here for some reason, you could allow the bucket to slide back. I don't believe it would tip over. This is the position that the garden hoses hang in, just because gravity is our friend if there are no buckets in there. And you can either load the buckets from the top or the bottom. So if you have an empty bucket, easy enough. You prefer to drop it in from the top. And it also fits these little cat litter buckets. So now with this thing as a retainer, you can go up hills, down hills, run all over the place, and at least our buckets are going to stay where they were intended to be. So I hope this little idea helps you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And thank you for watching.